Hey there, you need to stop whatever you're doing and listen to this, because this video presentation could be the ultimate ticket to a brighter future. I'm going to show you effective strategies and kickstarting your vegan diet. You will discover simple ways to stay healthy and get the kind of body you want when you eat vegan. You will find this to be a life-changing experience when you start to see the positive changes in your health and feel better about your own body. Here's something interesting. Once mocked as a cult-like fad trend, veganism has started to become more popular and mainstream in the United States. Today's vegans come from all walks of life, including working moms, college students, teenagers, even professional athletes. Vegans have since come a long way, and the good news? Vegans don't have to stick to just plain old steamed vegetables and brown rice anymore. In fact, there's now more diversity in terms of cooking and choosing the right kind of ingredients for your vegan diet, and more vegan dishes available with restaurants promoting their plant-only menu. In 2009, only 1% of the U.S. population were vegetarian or vegan. Now, as of June 2017, 6% of Americans are vegan, and of all these vegans, the majority are women. But that's not all, because soon after that, men started following this lifestyle. In 2012, overall meat consumption decreased by 12.2% from 2007. Google even found a threefold increase in vegan searches from 2007 to 2014. As you can see by now, the vegan lifestyle garnered the attention of many health enthusiasts worldwide. Have you ever wondered why many prominent athletes opt for plant-based protein instead of animal protein? That's because research by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that a plant protein diet is the better choice for building muscles. Let me explain. Plant-based protein is packed with antioxidants and fibers which can enhance body recovery. Less inflammation in the body would mean that athletes only need minimal amounts of time to heal from muscle aches and pains. Also, did you know that you don't need meat, dairy, egg whites, or proteins like chicken or fish to build muscles for you? That's right, you don't. In fact, the kind of plant-based foods that can help you build muscle mass are alkaline. They increase your body's pH levels to combat inflammation, which is common when you consume large amounts of animal protein. Superfoods like tempeh, quinoa, pumpkin seeds, and almond butter are great sources of plant protein. So today's your lucky day because I'm going to give you full access to my entire collection of how to begin your vegan journey and reap the full benefits of being one. And for the first time ever, they've been compiled into one incredible blueprint. Workout plans for vegans, testimonials of vegan athletes, dietary outline, tips for transitioning into veganism, debunking common myths, and much more. Just know that I've spent hundreds and thousands of dollars into developing these proven strategies to give you the best experience out of your vegan lifestyle. And here's your golden opportunity to learn my secrets to getting the kind of lean and healthy body you want when you eat vegan. I'm granting you the permission to follow my method and apply it into your new transformational lifestyle. It's your chance now to unleash your inner vegan and go beyond your boundaries. Introducing Vegan Warrior, a life-changing blueprint on how you can kickstart your vegan diet today. Vegan Warrior is your go-to master guide on ways to attaining the lean and healthy physique you want on a vegan diet. You'll discover the truth behind commonly known misconceptions people have towards this amazing lifestyle. Find out how prominent athletes are able to stay at the top of their game on a plant-based diet. Here's what I'll be sharing with you exclusively: the ever-popular craze behind veganism, ways to begin your vegan journey for better health and performance, debunking the myths and misconceptions you might have about vegans, the list of famous athletes who opt for the vegan lifestyle despite initial criticism, simple workout plans for vegans to achieve the lean physique they want, and so much more waiting to be covered inside. So here's the deal. You get Vegan Warrior at a low one-time investment. For one low cost, All that is yours for the taking. And you don't have to waste time attending courses and listening to fitness gurus that promise little to no results. All you have to do from here onwards is simply apply the methods into your life in the next 30 days. These simple and result-oriented methods are easy to implement, and if you're not completely satisfied, simply return your order within 30 days for a full refund. However, I do need to remind you that you are letting go of the chance to turn your life around if you choose to click away from this offer. But if Vegan Warrior isn't every bit as fantastic as I say it is, and I do, simply return for a full refund. No questions asked. I'll see that your money is promptly refunded. Fair enough? You have my word on it. So why wait another day? Your investment in Vegan Warrior is 100% guaranteed. Act now to snap up these fast action bonuses. Secret bonus number 1. Complete checklist, step-by-step guidelines, and easy-to-follow action steps for you to break huge topics into easy, digestible chunks. Secret bonus number 2, comprehensive mind map, visually appealing mind maps to outline everything you're going to discover in Vegan Warrior. You get all the bonuses absolutely free only if you act today. So don't wait anymore. The choice for a healthier body is in your hands right now. I changed my life completely by using this amazing blueprint. Please do yourself a favor and try it out. I know you'll be amazed. A healthy, jaw-dropping physique is here for you too. Your health and life matters, so kickstart your vegan lifestyle now with minimal effort. Click the buy button today to order before this deal is gone for good.